This is the brand new Infinix Hot 40 Pro, a recently launched smartphone by Infinix that is easy on your pocket. It's perfect for everyone since it's very affordable. Let's check it out some cool things it can do. First up, it's got a big 6.78-inch screen that looks great. The display has 1080p by 2460 pixels, making your pictures and photos and videos as well as very clear. Plus, the screen refresh rate is 120, making everything smooth. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels, so your pictures will be great and awesome. So inside, it runs a chip called MediaTek Helio G99, which is good for everyday stuff and games. It has a 8 gigabytes of RAM and comes with 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes of space for your apps and movies or music. So you can add more space like a micro SD card if you don't have enough memory. The phone has 3 cameras on the back. The big one is 108 megapixels. The second one is 2 megapixels for close-up shots, and other one is for smart shots. So you can record your videos in a good quality condition. The battery is huge as well, 5000 milliamps. It charges really fast, and you can also charge other things with it. It can last a really long time, up to 34 days if you don't use it too much, or around 9 hours if you're playing games. It uses Android 13 with a special look from Infinix called XOX 13.5. It has some cool things like talking assistants, how to open 2 apps at once, and a suggestion thing. The phone comes in 4 colors: blue, gold, black, and starfall green. There's also a special version with a Freefire stuff in it. If you want a phone that is fast, fun, and stays on for a long time, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro is a good choice, but it's made of plastic, so it might not feel super fancy. And also, it cannot go underwater, and it doesn't work well with the 5G thing. Some people say the back camera isn't always great as well. In short, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro is a good phone for lots of people. It's not perfect, but it's a strong option if you want a good phone without spending too much money. And that is a wrap. If you like this video, please like this, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see you again for the next video. Peace out, everybody.